James Ryan Alvenja, BSME for Combustion Online Quiz. Question number 2. The problem is state 1 for a dual combustion engine is pressure 1 equals to 1 atmosphere and T1 60.3 degrees Celsius and conversion ratio equals to 18. At the end of the constant volume combustion process, the pressure is 7695 kilopascal and the cut-off ratio is 1.5. Based on 1 kilogram cycle of a hot air standard with K equals to 1.31, determine the percentage clearance in PV and T each corner point of the cycle on the cycle and letter C work the efficiency and mean effective pressure. First is isulat muna natin given P1 equals to 1 atmosphere, T1 equals to 60.3 degrees Celsius, compression ratio equals to 18, P3, since P3 equals to 7695 kilopascal, and compression cut-off ratio 1.5, mass 1 kilogram, and K equals to 1.31. Susunod natin gawin, i-drawing natin yung PV diagram ng cycle natin. So, ganyan siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kita nyo, yung P3 at P4 is equal. So, itong 7695 equals din siya sa P4. P3 equals to P4. Dito B2 equals to B3. Dito B1 equals to B5. At sulat din natin yung TS diagram natin. One, two, three, 5. So, sagutin natin yung letter A. Ay, balik tayo dito. Dahil naka-atmosphere siya, gawin natin siyang into kilopascal. So, ang 1 atmosphere is equal siya, atmospheric pressure equal siya sa 101.325 kilopascal. Yung temperature natin plus 273 equals to 333.3 Kelvin. Yan na. Sa letter A na tayo. RK. Ang hanapin natin clearance. So, RK 1 plus C over C. So, pag in-extract natin siya, ganito ang may equation niya. C equals to 1 over RK minus 1. Equal siya sa 1 over RK, which is 18 minus 1. So, 1 over 17. So, C is equals to 1 over 17. 0.0588. 0.0588 or 5.88%. Letter B. Hanapin natin PVT sa bawat corner point ng cycle. So, una natin kunin yung V1 muna. Gamitin natin ideal gas equation. V1 equals to MR T1. V1 equals to MR T1 over P1 equals to mass 1 kg. R natin, ang R natin dito is ng air sa 0.287 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Temperature 1 na equals to 333.3 Kelvin over pressure 1 natin, which is 101.325 kilopascal, which is equals to kilonewton over. Itong kilojoules, kilonewton meter. Para makancel natin siya. Yan. At may 1 yung meter. So, V1 natin is equals to equals to 0.9441 cubic meter. Yan. So, since B1 is equals to B5, so itong sagot natin dito, equal na rin siya sa B5. So, kunin natin sunod is yung T2. Temperature 2 which is equals to T1 RK over K minus 1 equals to, ang T1 natin 333.3 Kelvin RK which is 18 over 1.31 minus 1. Sagot dito ay 333.3 18 1.31 minus 1 8165256 5256 degrees Kelvin. So, sunod natin kunin is B2. So, ang B2 natin is, since ang may compression ratio na tayo, gamitin natin yung equation niya. 1 over B2. So, makukuha natin B2 kasi given na yung RK at B1. So, B2, pag in-extract natin yung B2, ganito ang B1 over RK na siya. Ang B1 natin is 0.9441 over RK which is, ang RK natin 18. Ang sagot sa B2 is equals to 0.0524 cubic meter, which is B2 is equals to B3. So, ang sunod nating solve is the P2. Ito yan. P2, ganyan niya, P1, B1K, P2, B2K. So, P1 ay P2 over P1 equals to B1, B2. Since yung B1, B2 equals to RK, so maging ganito siya. So, ang P2 natin, P2 is P2 equals to P1 RK raised to K. So, 101.325 kilopascal. RK is 18 tapos 1.31. Ang sagot dito is 4468.1073 kPa. Next natin kunin is T3. So, T3 equals to T2, P3 equals to P2. Since given na yung P3 natin, meron na rin tayong T2, at may P2 na rin tayo, makuha natin yung T3. So, T3 equals to T2, P3, P2. Equal siya sa T2 natin, 816.5256, P3 97695, P2 4468.1073. Ang sagot dito ay 1406.2251 degrees Kelvin. Next is B4. B4, since meron tayong cut-off ratio equals to B3 over B4. So, may B3 na tayo, B3, so, makuha natin B4. B4 equals to B3 over RC. Ay, sorry. B4 over B3 pala to, sorry. So, magiging kalabasan nito is B4 equals to B3 RC. So, B4 is equals to 0.0524 and 1.5, which is our cut-off ratio. So, B4 equals to 0.0786 cubic meter. Next is the T4. So, ang T4 natin equals to T3 and RC. May cut-off ratio na tayo. So, ang T3 natin is 1406.2251 times cut-off ratio which is 1.5. So, T4 is equals to 2109.3377 degrees Kelvin. Yan. Susunod is T5. T5 natin is equals to T4 B4 over B5 K minus 1. So, equals to T4 natin, 2109.3377. B4 natin, which is, ayun, 0.0786 over B5. B5 natin. Ayun, B1 is equals to B5 pala. Ayun siya, 0.9441 raised to K minus 1. 1.31 minus 1. So, T5, the answer is 976.0488 degrees Kelvin. Dito na tayo sa last, sa P5. 296.72. P5 is equals to P1 T5 over T1. So, equals to 101.325. 976.0488 over T1, which is 333.3. So, ang P5 natin, ang answer dito is 296.7241. 7241 kilopascal. So, yan, nasagot na natin letter A. Ay, letter B, letter C na tayo. What is the work? Work is equals to QA plus QR. So, sa QA natin, ang equation niya is the MCB, constant volume ang ginamit dito sa specific heat kasi dalawa ang kwan natin, combustion natin dito, which is the constant volume na nakikita natin sa graph, constant and constant pressure. So, MCB equals to T3 minus T2 plus MCP, which is constant pressure ang kung dito sa specific heat natin, T4 minus T3. So, mayroon naman na tayong lahat yan ng given. Wala lang tayong CV at CP. Tsaka, isosolve natin siya kasi hindi siya yung hindi siya yung cold air. Pag cold air, automatic 1.4 na ang gagamitin natin, standard. Pero dito, in-specify niya na 1.31 ang K natin. So, less than 1.4 siya. So, hindi pareho dun sa makikita natin sa table. So, isosolve natin yung CB at CP niya. So, CB is equals to R over K minus 1 equals to 0.287 kilojoules kilogram Kelvin over K minus 1, 1.31 minus 1. Ang sagot dito is 9258 kilojoules kilogram Kelvin. And sa C, P natin is KR, K minus 1. Which K is equals to 1.31 times R, 0.287 over K minus 1. So, ang sagot dito is 1.2128. 2128 kilojoules kilogram Kelvin. So, dyan, pwede na natin substitute dito. Meron na tayong lahat yan. So, ito yan. QA equals to M, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. CB, 0.9258 kilojoules kilogram Kelvin. T3 which is 1406.2251 minus 816.5256 plus the mass again, 1 kilogram times the CP, 1.2128 and the T4 minus T3. T4 is equals to 2109.3377 minus T3, which is 1406.2251. So, ang pag-ano natin dito is by part, para hindi tayo malito. So, ang sagot dito is 545.9347.971. Kinompleto ko siya para exact yung makukuha natin. Tapos 852. Dito naman 852.7349613. So, QA natin, pag plus natin yung dalawa, ang makukuha nating sagot is 1398.6788 kilojoules na siya. So, may QA na tayo. QR na lang. QR is equals to MCB T1 minus T5. So, substitute the value na nakuha natin at yung given CB, which is 0.9258 kilojoules kilogram Kelvin, and T1, which is 333.976.0488. Ang sagot dito sa QR is equals to negative 595.0568. So, nakita nyo, negative siya, no? Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na negative siya kasi for directional lang siya. Ibig sabihin yun, palabas siya. Rejected siya, kaya nilagyan siya ng negative. So, kunin natin work, pag-plus natin sila. So, QA, which is 1398.6788 minus 595.0568. So, work natin is equals to 803.622 kilojoules. Yan. So, letter D na tayo. The efficiency, which is work net, is equals to Q added. So, equals natin, mayroon naman na tayong 622 over QA natin, which is 1398.6788. So, equals siya sa 0.5746 or 57.46%. Letter E, the mean effective pressure natin. Equal siya sa work net over VD. VD natin is equals to V1 minus V2. Meron na tayo niyan. Meron na rin tayo nito. So, work net natin is equals to 803.622 kilojoules. Kilojoules, guys, is equals to kilonewton meter. Ginanyan ko siya para ma-cancel natin. At saka, pare-pare yung unit niya. Yung V1 natin equals to 0.9441 minus 0.0524. Ito, cubic meter. So, tataas natin to, makakancel ito, tas ito mababawasan. So, magiging, ang kanya is kilopascal na. So, 901, sagot dito is 901.2246 kPa. Cut.